Hello, this is Cool Samus Guy, and welcome to System Test 5 with the ESL 1500 series fire alarm control panel. Let's get straight into the video. So nothing much has really changed since the last system test. We still have the Mircom pull, and we still have the simplex pulls along with the ESL detectors. But I have made a couple of changes with the notification appliances, so here you go. As you can see, I still have the Gentex strobe plate up. However, I have the System Sensor SSM24-10 10-inch vibrating belt on the Gentex strobe plate. Yes, you have read the title correctly. This system is going to contain 10-inch bells with the exception of the Edwards 6-inch bell that still need laundry room entrance, which I cannot put a 10-inch bell in there because the 10-inch bell will not fit. We'll have the ESL smoke, simplex pull, and we have a Mircom BL-10B 10-inch vibrating bell in my room. I got this bell new in box from CJ999 and it sounds pretty good. It's actually manufactured in July of 2018, judging by the date code in the back. And like I said, it just sounds really nice. I'm glad I'm going to be using it in the system. However, we have finally got a strobe on this back box. This strobe is a Gentex GXS-4-HWB, and this is indeed a first generation Gentex GXS. Everything is still the same from last test. We still have the Edwards bell and the simplex pull station and GXS strobes in here and in the laundry room. So that is everything in the system. I'm going to try not to drag this too long and not just actually activating the system. I've already grabbed my keys and I opened the panel because these bells are going to be so freaking loud, but it's going to also sound amazing at the same time. It's better than horns in my opinion. So we're going to go ahead and pull this pull station in 3, 2, 1. The Gentex strobe is flashing in my room. Doesn't that sound good or what? Like, I prefer 10-inch bells than horns, in my opinion, so here you have it. We're going to go ahead and activate a detector. I still haven't found my magnet, so this E70 is going to do the trick. So I just put it against the magnet. I'll just put it right against over here to find a spot. There we go. Pretty loud. Now, the reason I can't test the heat detectors is because, well, these type of detectors are fixed temperature, which means that if this disc pops out, the system will activate, but the heat detector will be no good after that, because if I try resetting it and the disc has already popped out, the system will just go back to alarm. So that's why I can't use these heat detectors. Since it is rate of rise, I will have to find a way to activate them somehow. So we will be testing heat detectors soon. I'm not sure when we will. But as of right now, I have nothing to test these heat detectors with. I'm going to be getting comments saying, why don't you just use a lighter? Well, that's one way to activate those system sensor heat detectors. So if you want to permanently activate them, go right ahead. I'm not activating them with a lighter or anything else. I'd rather use, if I want to test the heat sectors, I'll have to use like a hairdryer or something, or a heat gun. But right now I don't have that type of money, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and pull this pull station for the last time. It says it's an alarm, so maybe I have to do this. Scared me a little. Got the wrong key in. Whoops. Sorry, you know what? The reason I'm silencing the alarm because I'm not sure if my neighbors can hear it. They probably will, but sometimes when I make my system test, I make sure that my neighbors can't hear it. Because if they hear it, they'll think it's a real emergency. They can call the fire department. But anyway, that'll be it for System Test 5. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and also subscribe if you haven't already for more fire alarm content along with other content on my YouTube channel. So, actually, you know what? Let me reset the panel. I want to see what these bells sound like on filter power. I'm actually supposed to be getting a power supply. Oh, whoops, I just spoiled it for you guys. But, I always like this pull station just because. So that's my alarm collection. Let's make sure the pull stations are set. Yep, I forgot I key activated it. Okay, now that is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you all next time. Peace.